Good day. I'm installing your Evotech Radiator Guard on my 2025 Pani V2. Looks like that. And looking at the picture on their website, you have to install these rubber fittings. Looks like that. There's 3 on each side, 1, 2, 3 each side, and then these ones 3 across, and then each corner like that. And there are actually round holes. These are all hexagonal holes in this grill, but they've left 5 that are round to fit these rubber fittings into. Just pay attention in doing that. I don't know if it matters that much if you don't put them in exactly where they're supposed to go, but there are round holes for those fittings like that. They give you this fitting and a couple of hex head screws. So where's it supposed to go? Let's have a look under here. Okay, so you're going to use the existing holes, tapped holes, to install this holder for your Evotech Radiator Guard. Let's see. This takes a T30 head, and this one has no screw in it, no bolt in it. It's like it was made to accept this Evotech fitting. So I'm going to now take this off and fit in the radiator guard on top of this. See how it goes. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.